Let z be a complex number such that z squared plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. Find z to the 6th plus z cubed plus 1. So let's take this out, and we'll get z squared plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's take a closer look at z squared plus z plus 1. That is actually just z cubed minus 1 over z minus 1 because of the geometric series. So because z minus 1 times z squared plus z plus 1, that's just z cubed minus 1. So we know that z cubed minus 1 over z minus 1 is 0. And we know that z cannot be 1 since 1 doesn't satisfy this equation. So then z cubed minus 1 is equal to 0. So then z cubed is equal to 1. So we're asked to find z to the 6th plus z cubed plus 1. And we know that all three of these are 1. Because z to the 6th is just z cubed squared, which is 1. Z cubed is 1, 1 is 1. So our final answer is 3. Okay, that's it for this problem.